So friends, Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Air might have more in common with the iPhone 17 Pro than you had expected. While the new Air model is said to be the slimmest iPhone Apple has ever made, a fresh leak suggests it could also feature one of the key performance upgrades expected on the Pro model's 12GB RAM. According to noted analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple may equip both the iPhone 17 Air and the iPhone 17 Pro with the same RAM configuration, which could mark a shift from usual approach where higher RAM is reserved for the top-end Pro Max variant. And if this turns out to be true, the iPhone 17 Air could offer a closer flagship experience than its name or position in the lineup might suggest. And Kuo insight is based on supply chain analysis, and he notes that Apple had originally planned to limit 12GB RAM to just the iPhone 17 Pro Max. However, shifting requirements related to AI features and multitasking performance have reportedly led Apple to reconsider this approach. For now, it looks like both the iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro will benefit from the memory boost, while the standard iPhone 17 might still stick with 8GB RAM unless supply allows for broader implementation. Final decisions on this front are expected by next month, and RAM has taken on new importance in recent years, especially with Apple's doubling down on AI. With Apple Intelligence likely to feature prominently across the iPhone 17 lineup, the need for higher memory is becoming more than just a spec sheet number, and it's essential for supporting new capabilities. In fact, Kuo predicts that by the time the iPhone 18 series rolls around in 2026, 12GB RAM might become standard across the board. And aside from the RAM boost, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to turn heads with its ultra-thin design at just 5.5mm thick, and it could become Apple's slimmest phone to date, beating the previous record held by the iPhone 6. Despite the thin form factor, it's rumored to offer a 6.6-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and support for visual intelligence features. And other rumored highlights include a 6-core A19 chip up to 512GB storage, and Apple's in-house 5G modem, and a 48MP single rear camera borrowed from the iPhone 16 Pro, a 24MP front camera, action button, camera control button, and IP68 water resistance are also expected. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.